We're asked to solve this equation, and at first it looks a little daunting, but the big thing to remember is that we want to start by clearing the fractions, because what makes this look so scary, if we want to determine anything, is those fractions. So we're going to start by clearing those fractions. So the question we have to ask ourselves is, what is the least common denominator of all those denominators? So we have a 4 and a 2. 4 is the least common denominator. You could use 8 and it would work, but I'm going to use 4. Because if we can, we always want to use the smallest number possible. Now, when we go, and I'm going to write this out so we can see, this 4 goes to all the pieces. So, and obviously, after you do this a couple times, some of this you might be able to skip, but it's important to see where everything goes. So I've taken this 4 to all the places. I've got to make sure every piece gets its little friend. Then I'm going to go through and I'm going to cancel out what I can. So these 4s, and this leaves me with the 2. So I'm left with 2x minus 7 plus 4x equals 2 times 2x plus 7 plus, and I'm going to do the math there, that's 12. Now the next thing I'm going to do here is I am going to, on this side, I'm going to add like terms. So I get 6x minus 7, and then over here I've got to distribute. So I'm going to get 4x plus 14. And again, make sure you get to both parts. Equals 12. So this stays the same. That's as far as I can get it. I've added all the like terms. Here, though, I've got these two like terms I can add. So I'm going to do that, 26. Now I'm going to get my x's together, but now I have to go across the sides, so I'm going to change the signs, and then I'm going to get a 2x minus 7, and over here now I'm down to just 26. Now I want to get this alone, so I'm going to add 7 to both sides, and I'm going to get 2x equals 33, so then x equals 33 halves. And unless it tells you differently, it probably won't the fraction. So I'm going to come back here. And you can see here this says integer or simplified fraction, so it wants that 33 halves. If it told you a decimal, you could then put in the whatever that is fraction as a decimal. So hopefully this helps you with this process. The biggest mistake that's easy to make is just missing a piece. Whether you miss a piece the first distribution or the second, you just really got to make sure you're writing all those steps out, you're getting it to all the pieces. And I find that writing it out really makes a difference. Don't try to do it in your head. Make sure you're writing it out.